Hello guys, this is Farz and I'm here with another mobile Lightroom tutorial. So let's get started. First open your image. Okay, this is our image, and now go to light and 20 for contrast. Okay, minus 40 for highlights and 80 for shadow. That's fine. And minus 50 for white. That's fine. Minus 10 for black. Okay. And add little bit exposure. I think that's fine. And then go to curves. Make a point here. I think that's fine. Okay. Now go to color. 10 for temperature. Okay. Then 1 for tint. Okay. Minus 10 for vibrance. Minus 20 for saturation. That's fine. Now go to the color mix and orange. $20 for saturation and luminance. Then yellow, minus 50 for hue, minus 20 for saturation, and minus 20 for luminance also. That's fine. Now go to the green. Here minus 80 for hue, that's fine. Then minus 20 for saturation and luminance. Now aqua, minus 40 for saturation and minus 20 for luminance. Then blue, minus 40 for saturation and minus 20 for luminance. That's great. Now go to the effects and I want to add some clarity around 15. That's fine. And 20 for dehaze and vignette minus 20. That's good. Then feather 100 and roundness also 100. That's great. Now go to split toning. For the highlights, hue is 26 and saturation 11. That's fine. Now for the shadow, release it. Now for the shadow, 18 for hue and 8 for saturation. That's fine. Now coming to detail and color noise reduction. I want to give around 10, and noise reduction also around 10. That's fine. So it's done. Look at this before and after, before and after. Okay, now let's check this effect with other image also. Here, copy the setting. Okay. Paste setting. That's great. It looks great. This is the before and this is the after. I hope you will love this video. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.